Parsley is an herb that originated in the Mediterranean region of southern Italy, Algeria, and Tunisia. This herb is known scientifically as Petroselinum hortense and Petroselinum crispum, and it belongs to the family Apiaceae. Parsley is one of the most common herbs in the kitchen, whether as flavoring, garnish or spice. You can expect a savory treat with the freshness of parsley. Parsley is one of my favorite culinary herbs. Growing parsley in your garden will provide a steady supply of this tasty herb, which is also rich in vitamin A, C and iron. Parsley is considered easy to grow, requiring a moderate amount of sunlight and capable of taking some shade. Having adapted to Mediterranean soils, parsley requires only a moderate amount of organic matter, but does require moist, well-drained soils, especially to survive hot summers. When grown in cooler conditions, the plant is treated as an annual and can be grown inside in containers where there are frosts. In tropical regions, it is best to treat parsley as a cool season annual and replant each year. Parsley plants are biennial, which means that they live for 2 years and at the end of the second growing season will flower and produce seeds. When growing parsley for seed production, remove every imperfect or weak plant so that only the healthiest plants can fertilize each other. Protect these plants over the winter and they should bloom the next growing season. Grow your own that way, you will have the fresh herb on hand with all its healing and culinary valor. Plus, parsley is a biennial plant that will return to the garden year after year once it's established. To harvest parsley, simply cut sprigs from the plant. Harvest the older growth first, which will encourage your parsley plant to produce small leaves. When growing successive crops in your garden and harvesting parsley, keep in mind that 2-year-old plants will have a slightly weaker flavor than their younger counterparts. Thank you for watching my video. More are coming soon, so please subscribe to my channel.